दोस्तों वीडियो में आगे बढ़ने से पहले अगर अब तक आपने हमारा चैनल सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया तो ये सब्सक्राइब कर दें एंड ये घंटी वाला जो बटन है वो जरूर दबा दें ताकि ऐसी ही वीडियो आपको जो है मिलती रहे। दोस्तों हमारे यहाँ पे जो है कैरियर शिक्षा और जॉब से रिलेटेड काफी सारी वीडियोस है, तो आप जो है चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर दें। Hello and welcome to Shiksha Career Jobs YouTube platform. Today we are having a detailed discussion about NTT course. What is NTT? NTT stands for Nursery Teacher Training Course. This course is especially designed for those students who want to be a pre-primary teachers, who want to be nursery teachers. So if you want to be a nursery teacher, then you can do this course, and the eligibility for this course is 10 plus 2, minimum 50% you should have. And if you are from reserved categories like scheduled caste and scheduled tribe, then you should have 45% marks in 10 plus 2 at least. If we are talking about, so nursery teachers are those teachers who teaches 3 to 5 years old children. So if we are going to talk about the eligibility criteria, you should have 10 plus 2 at least with 55% marks. And if you are from reserved categories like scheduled caste and scheduled tribe, then you should have 45% at least in 10 plus 2. So if we are going to talk about the duration of this course, the duration is 1 to 2 years. Depending upon the institute, it is varied. In some institute, it is 1 year, and in some colleges or institute, it is for 2 years. So next, we are going to talk about how you can take admission. The admission you can take, there is two way to take admission. One is the merit based, and another one is the entrance exam. So if you want to take admission, then some of the colleges prefer the merit based admission and some of them entrance based admission. Depending upon the state and depending upon the institute or the college, it is varied. So next we are talking about the fees. The fee structure is from 5,000 to 30,000 maximum. And after completion of this course, the salary package for you in private institute, your starting that will be 5,000. 5,000 per month at least. And if I'm talking about NDMC schools, then you will get 30,000 plus. 30,000 plus you will get. So after completion of this course, where you will get job, or what will be your job profile? You will get a job of nursery teachers. You will get a job of assistant pre-primary teachers. You can start your own home tutor, or you can start your pre-primary school or nursery school. You can start by your own. So if we are talking about the course syllabus, in this course, teaching methodology and child psychology, children care and health, basic of pre-primary education, history and philosophy of pre-primary education, nursery school organization, community child health and nutrition, and some practicals related to art and craft and your viva. So these all subject you have to study during this course. So if we are talking about the best institute, if you are going to take admission in national level institute, that's quite good. This will be good for you. Here I want to mention one thing. NTT course is offered by only the private institute, not the government institute. So you have to do this course from private institute or the college. What the document you need for the admission? So the document you need 10th and 12th class certificate, and 10th and 12th class mark sheet photocopy, 5 passport size photograph, Aadhaar card photocopy with self attested, and completely filed admission form. So these are the document you need for NTT admission. If we are talking about the benefit, what the benefit of this course, the first and the foremost benefit is this course is especially preferred by the female candidates. They can spare 4 to 5 hours a day, and they can be self independent. Second thing, you will get job in private and government school as a pre-primary or nursery teachers. You can start your own play school or nursery school, and there is no such type of huge amount you are going to invest, because the fees for this course is 5,000 to 30,000. So it is minimum investment you can do, and after this you can do so many things like you can do as a job as a pre-primary teacher, so you can start your own play school. So female candidate will be independent completely. So there is some challenges with this course. You have to be very patientful person. Your behavior that should be friendly, because you have to tackle the children's, and your communication skills has to be good, and there should be a the good amount of energy in you, so that you're going to handle the children's. So this is all about the NTT course. So if you are having any doubt, you are having anything, you can leave a comment so that I can make you satisfied with my explanation if you're having any doubt regarding this. So stay tuned and subscribe my channel if you have not subscribed till this time, and please press the bell icon so you will get the notification. And thank you. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.